So I have another Apple product here. These are the AirPods Max, and I'm aware that this item in particular has been out for over a year. But when I saw that these were announced at launch, I thought those are going to sound excellent, but I wasn't willing to pay $550 for these headphones. Just not going to do it. I had AirPod Pros. I figured I'd leave it at that. And then I thought to myself, I'm just going to save my cash back over time, let it sit in my Apple Cash account, and when I get closer to that price point, then I'll pick up a pair. And essentially that would be free, right? I actually got these for $75 off retail by price matching with Amazon at Best Buy. Went into Best Buy today and picked these up. They were $479.99. Used my cash back from my Apple Cash, from using my Apple Card for everyday purchases. And you know, over time I've collected enough to buy these without coming out of pocket. So I'm definitely looking forward to seeing what they offer. I'm not the biggest fan of the name AirPods Max. You know, Apple could have come up with something better. When I think of AirPods, I think about the in-ear earbuds. But you know, Apple's going to name what they want. That's their marketing. They're going to name it what they want. All right, let's get this thing open. I'm excited about this. Now this is an unboxing video. I'm not going to be doing a review. Eventually I'll have a full studio setup where I can, you know, sit back on camera, but right now my camera setup will not allow me to be on camera. So I'm not going to do a review. Working on turning one of the spare bedrooms in my house into a studio. But that's going to be a few weeks away from being done. In the meantime, let's see what we got in the box. I'm a big fan of Apple products. I'm not gonna deny that. I'm very biased when it comes to Apple stuff, so I'm always gonna have nice things to say unless it's complete garbage, in which case I will tell you straight up. So inside the packaging, we've got more paper. Got the headphones themselves. They got like a little carrying case, like a carrying handle on there. All right, before we open those up, let's see what else is in the box. I'm assuming there are Apple stickers in here. Yeah, I don't really need Apple stickers. And it looks like a Lightning to USB-C cable. These come in pretty much everything Apple these days, whether it's an iPad, a phone, AirPods, Apple TV, Apple mouse, Apple keyboard. All of these come with USB-C to Lightning with no brick. And that looks like everything inside the packaging. So we're going to close this back up. There's nothing else inside the box. And here are the headphones. Now, I've seen some aftermarket carrying cases for this, but it looks like this comes with some sort of case. So there's no need for that. Anybody watching this as big of an Apple fanboy as I am? Am I the only one? Let's cut this. There we go. I went with black. Even though my iPhone 13 Pro Max is blue, I did recently switch to a blue iPhone 13 Pro Max. I went with black because I changed the color of my phone quite a bit, and I'll eventually go back to black, and I don't want to have to switch my headphones as much as I switch my phone. Nice felt liner on this case. It feels like a microfiber cloth. It's really soft. That should keep your headphones from getting scratched. Slide them out. At first glance, I thought the cups were white, but that's just some kind of cardboard foam type cover. And there are your headphones. These are AirPods Max. They do feel like a premium quality headphone. Can't deny that at all. USB-C port there on the end, right here. Definitely premium quality headphones. I can't wait to see what they sound like. These are going to replace my AirPods Pro. I don't like putting stuff in my ear, so I wanted to go with something that fit on my head versus putting something in my ear. So now when I'm cutting grass or going for a walk, I'll be able to use them. These will probably be used primarily for video editing because my computer that I edit my videos on is in a room where my wife is usually watching TV, so I'll be able to throw these on and edit without bothering anybody. I know this video is coming a year after these are out, but like I said, this is for my experience. I enjoy making these videos, and it's very little effort to film a video of me unboxing it and going over what I like, so you know, it is what it is. If you like this video, Make sure you hit that like button, subscribe to the channel, make sure you hit that bell so you get notified for all the videos. I appreciate you guys watching, and for those of you who think this video is too late, why'd you click on the video? Have a good day. Y'all take it easy.